Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to enable the Windows 11 Sandbox. Let's start. First of all, you should know that what is Microsoft Sandbox. Microsoft released the Sandbox to isolate your machine's desktop, where you can install and run any untrusted software without concern of long-term damage to your PC. Any software that you install or run in the Windows Sandbox will remain there and has no impact on your host machine. When you close the Windows Sandbox, all the settings you have applied and the softwares that you have installed will be permanently erased. Now let's enable the Windows 11 Sandbox. Before enabling the Sandbox, you need to enable the virtualization in your computer's BIOS. To check whether it is enabled or not, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape from your keyboard to open the Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab, expand it. Under CPU, check whether virtualization is enabled or not. If the virtualization is not enabled in your PC, these screenshots might help you to enable it. Okay, now that you have enabled the virtualization in your PC, open Control Panel from Start menu. Then open Programs and Features. On the left side of your screen, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. In the new box, scroll down to the bottom of the box until you see Windows Sandbox. Check this option to enable it and press OK. Click on the Restart Now to restart your PC, and after the restart you can access the Windows Sandbox. I will pause the video and will resume it after the restart. Now that I have restarted my PC, let's check that whether Windows Sandbox is enabled or not. Open Start menu and search for Windows Sandbox. Click on the Open button. As you can see guys, the Microsoft Sandbox is now enabled, and this sandbox is isolated. Any software that I run here, any setting that I apply in the Windows Sandbox will not affect my host machine. Now I will run a portable software which will check the hard disk of my computer. Copy it and let's paste it in the Windows Sandbox. Let's run the software now. I will run it as administrator. As you can see guys, that I can run the software. Let's see that whether I can access the settings or not. Yes, I can access the settings too. Now let's close the Windows 11 Sandbox. Here you can see that it gives me a warning and says once Windows Sandbox is closed, all of its content will be discarded and permanently lost. Click OK to close the sandbox. And that's all for today guys. If you need any help, comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe if you love the video to support our channel. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.